Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of freezing on YouTube app. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of freezing on YouTube, you should just go to settings. In the first, you can go to apps and you can click on YouTube app. Then you can click on first step and you can click OK. After that, you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. If it's not working with you, you can go to Play Store. If you will find update in this blue sign, then you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.